You know, we handle money every single day, but how often do we really stop and think about the simple math that makes it all work? From a discount at your favorite store to what's happening in your bank account, it's all just a numbers game. And in this explainer, we're going to break down that game and give you the cheat codes.
So, picture this. You're walking down the street and this massive sales sign just jumps out and grabs your attention. We've all been there, right? You feel that little rush, that excitement of spotting a potential bargain? It's a real pull.
But here's the million-dollar question. Is that deal really as amazing as it seems? See, the secret to spending smarter isn't about getting lucky. It's about understanding the simple math behind that price tag. And trust me, it's way easier than you think.
All right, let's dive right in, starting with the money going out of our pockets. Every single price tag has a story to tell, and by the end of this, we're going to be fluent in its language. Let's decode the math of spending.
Okay, first up, the magic word, discount. It's the one word that can make any shopper's heart beat just a little bit faster. Now, sure, on the surface, it's just a price cut, but it's also this really clever tool that stores use to make you feel like you're getting incredible value. So let's see how that value actually adds up.
Let's make this real. Imagine you see a shirt. Price tag says 500 pesos, but it's got a 10% discount sticker on it. Okay, quick, what's the final price? You can do this in your head. No calculator needed, I promise.
And boom, there it is, 450 pesos. It's that simple. 10% of 500 is 50. You take that 50 away from the original 500 and you're done. That's it. That's the power of knowing your percentages.
Now let's flip the coin for a second. While discounts take money off the price, sales tax, well, that adds to it. It's a percentage that the government puts on pretty much everything we buy, and it's a super important piece of that final number you see at the register.
And yeah, as you can see, unlike that extended warranty they always try to get you to buy, sales tax is definitely not optional. It's just a built-in, non-negotiable part of buying things. So you always got to keep that in the back of your mind when you're figuring out if a deal is really a deal.
Okay, enough about money going out. Let's talk about the fun part, money coming in. It's time to switch gears and get into the math of earning.
So, one of the most direct ways to earn is through commission. Just think of it as a bonus, a direct reward for making a sale. For instance, if you sell a 10,000 peso gadget and you have a 5% commission, that's an extra 500 pesos right in your pocket. It's a really powerful way to connect your hard work directly to your paycheck. But what if your money could make money for you, even while you're sleeping? Now this is where things get really interesting. Welcome to the world of passive earning, where you put your savings to work.
And the front door to this whole world is something called simple interest. Honestly, it's basically the bank paying you a little thank you for letting them use your money. It's a percentage they add to your savings over time, and it's the very first step toward making your money generate, well, more money.
So here you have the two sides of earning, laid out perfectly. Over on one side, you've got active earning, like a commission. That's tied directly to the work you do. On the other side, you've got passive earning, like interest, which just kind of happens in the background. A really smart financial plan, it's usually got a mix of both.
Okay, so we've looked at money going out, discounts and taxes, and we've looked at money coming in, commission and interest. So now what? How do we pull all this stuff together? Well, we use it to build the single most powerful tool for financial control.
And that is really the key takeaway here. These aren't just random math terms from a textbook. They are the actual, practical building blocks you need to take charge of your financial future.
And that ultimate tool? It's a budget. I know, the word budget can sound a little scary or restrictive, but it's not. All it is a plan for your money, and it uses the exact ingredients we've been talking about. And look, you can start super simple. Just make a plan for one day. Step 1, figure out all the money you have coming in. Step 2, list out everything you spend money on. And step 3, the most important part, find the difference. Whatever's left over, that's your power. That's what gives you control.
So there you have it. You've got the building blocks now. You understand the language of spending and the language of earning. So the only real question left is, what are you going to build with it? What's your next money move?